Welcome to our tutorial on how to address communication barriers in staff augmentation. Kick things off by ensuring your augmented staff has the necessary language skills. Provide cultural training to minimize misunderstandings and create a more inclusive work environment. Whether it's instant messaging, video calls, or collaborative platforms, keeping everyone on the same page has never been easier. Use scheduling tools to find the best times for meetings and ensure no one feels left out. Lastly, schedule regular check-ins. These keep communication flowing and address any issues promptly. Ready to start with staff augmentation? Explore our services today.